In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix File Explorer freezing in Windows 10 and 11. So there are going to be two ways that I'm going to show you. The first one is going to be the simplest. I want you to go ahead and follow along. Right click this one right here and open the Task Manager. And from here in the Task Manager, I want you to locate your Windows Explorer. Say, for example, this one right here. If this is the one that's freezing, you're going to right click and then head over to go to Details. Now that you are in your details, I'm going to go ahead and right click this one, and then we're just going to click End Task. So click End Process, and then it's just going to disappear. Now, when you do that though, take note that you won't be able to open the task or the taskbar down here. So what you're going to do to bring that up is to click Run New Task, and then we're going to type explorer.exe, hit OK, and you should be back. There you go. So yep, that's the first thing that you're going to do. The second one is going to be another step. So I want you to go ahead and look for File Explorer options, this one right here. And there are two things that we're going to do here. So open File Explorer 2, you're going to click that and then choose this PC. And then what you're going to do is make sure that everything here is checked, and then we're going to click clear. And once that's done, just go ahead and hit apply and then hit OK. So after doing that one, you should be able to open your File Explorer again, good and ready to go. So yep, that is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out. And as always, everybody, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below.